Welcome back to Print United 2023 here in Atlanta. We're at the Georgia World Congress Center and I'm delighted to be with my friend Shaun Holdom on the Fujifilm stand. Shaun, great to see you again.
And you too, nice.
We've had a great week. We played a bit of golf.
We have.
You've been working very hard though. Very hard.
Very hard, too hard I think.
How's the show been for you so far?
The show has been incredibly busy. It's been nice to see so many customers, sort of old and new. But what has been encouraging is everybody that's come is kind of ready to buy something. So that's kind of a
Always
different
helps.
trend from the last two shows I've done, from Vespa to last year's Printing United.
Yeah.
I think people are really engaged with new types of technology and they're actively looking for new equipment, which is obviously a bonus for us.
Yeah, so you think purpose has been the main, people are coming to the stand with purpose, they know what they're looking for?
They know what they're looking for, they know what they want to do, but we're kind of trying to open their eyes to what we do here at Fujifilm, how we're slightly different.
Yeah.
And trying to get them on out, as a partner to us and see how we can move forward.
Yeah. So we first partnered together at Vespa. We met at Sign and Digital.
We did.
We partnered at Vespa, really successful partnership. We decided to try it again at Print United. How's it been? What are the advantages of working alongside a media partner like Martin? How's it been so far for you?
Well, as I said to you before, I mean, we make a machine, we make the ink, and that goes on a material. So our customers need to see quality. We're demonstrating a high quality machine. We're demonstrating a high quality ink made in the UK. So we have to have that going on a high quality material to show the best that particular equipment can do.
Yeah.
So that's why we partner with people such as yourselves, because you make a high quality product that's sustainable, that works very, very well in our machines and demonstrates the machine to its best ability.
Yeah, absolutely. So speaking of machines,
Yes.
we take a little walk around, have a little
Absolutely.
chat about some of the machines.
Yep. So here we have our hybrid. This is a 3.3 meter roll-to-roll device that will print on roll material. Not very good for you, but it also prints on rigid. So it really is a versatile piece of equipment. So it allows our customers in a slightly smaller footprint to do a whole range of work. And that's, I think, what customers are moving for. Over the last 18 months in the global market for printers, grand format specifically, there's been a 60 to 70% increase in the purchasing of hybrid equipment. So we've made a lot of investment into developing this machine that really does allow our customers to do true versatility.
Yeah. And you've been printing on this machine during the week. You've been using our Formulux Light Bio.
We have.
So our sustainable version of our Formulux Light sheet.
Yes, we have.
How have you found that?
Again, it shows high quality, gives us great adhesion to the substrate, very, very versatile, and the printer just loves it. We can print very fast, and it just adores the ink, and it gives us a great result to show to the customers.
Yeah, so we talked about themes of the show: efficiency,
Yep.
speed, quality.
Yep.
That's what the guys are looking for when they come to the stand.
Absolutely.
That's what they get to see. So that's one machine. We got anything else on the stand?
Well, we don't actually have the machine, but we also are selling the Acuity Prime,
Okay.
which is a true flatbed. So that's available as a small entry-level machine, our Prime 20. We also have the Prime 30, and as of next year here in the States, we will launch our Prime Hybrid, which is like our hybrid larger technology, but instead of 3.3 meters, 2 meters. So that allows us to go into entry-level print shops and smaller service providers. Again, utilising your materials.
Yeah. Is there anything at the show you've seen, and I know this is a bit of an off-the-cuff question, is there anything at the show you've seen which has been unusual? Any new sort of ways people are using the machines, anything like that? Obviously I know it's a print machine, but anything that's been particularly unusual?
I'm not seeing anything specifically unusual. In our life, we have, whenever you say you have a hybrid, everybody says, well, you can print on everything because it's UV. So we have a whole host of stuff coming. People want to print on leather, people want to print on plywood. But a lot of it is our customers are getting more creative. And because of the versatility of these devices and the ability to actually change products really, really quickly, so they can print on a sort of Coraflute or a Corex kind of sheet and do a 200 board job, yet change the machine over in a matter of minutes to print on clear polyester, do window graphics with white, and go from a sheet that's going to make you $5, $6 or £2 or £3 to 40 or 50 pounds a square meter, or maybe 80 or 90 bucks.
Yeah.
So that's the true change. It's what is the ROI of these devices, not how quick it goes.
Yeah.
What is my true return on investment?
Yeah, absolutely. And I know you touched on it a little bit earlier in the interview, but obviously we're doing a lot on the sustainability side, hence the Formulux Light Bio. What about Fuji? I think you mentioned sustainable inks, things like that before.
Well, our business is sustainable to the core. It's kind of our ethos from Japan. So if you come to all of our facilities are using energy generated by themselves. So we have solar panels. All of the inks we are changing our compliance. Ink is changing globally. So we are changing our process, researching all new raw materials that have less solvents in and more biosolvents, more stuff that's non-compliant.
Yeah.
And I think that's where the world is changing. Everybody sees a printer that goes fast, but when you're making an investment such as this for 2, 3, 400,000 pounds or 500, $600,000, that's over 5 to 8 years.
Yeah.
You need to know that your vendor is going to be there, and also your income is going to be there. And not only going to be there, but can do the research and development to innovate that product, to change, to make sure it's compliant, and also sticks on materials such as yours that are also compliant and more sustainable. That's where I think all these synergies are starting to move towards.
Yeah, absolutely. I know when we met at Sign and Display, it was one of the main conversations we had around sustainability, and like you say, the synergy was absolutely there from the start.
Yep.
Shaun, as always,
As always,
absolute pleasure. Thank
cheers,
you so much for your